Can a 15-30mm lens unlock your vlogging potential on the Canon EOS RP? Let's find out. Today, we're diving deep into the Canon EOS RP and the versatile Canon RF 15-35mm f/28L is USM, a lens often praised for its wide-angle capabilities, and seeing if it's the perfect match for your vlogging adventures. First, the focal range at 15mm, you're getting an incredibly wide field of view, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes, fitting yourself and your surroundings into the frame without feeling cramped, and creating that immersive, you are there feeling vlogs thrive on. Now, let's talk about image stabilization. The RF 15-35mm boasts impressive in-lens optical is when you're on the move, whether walking down a street or exploring a new city. This lens significantly smooths out those handheld jitters. See the difference? This is crucial for professional vlogs. The EOS RP, combined with the lenses, delivers much more watchable footage, even when you're not using a gimbal. What about autofocus? The EOS RP is known for its reliable dual-pixel CMOS AF, and paired with the RF 15-35mm USM motor, it's exceptionally responsive for vlogging. This means your face stays sharp even as you move in and out of the frame. The autofocus is quick, quiet, and accurate, ensuring your viewers are always focused on you, not on hunting for focus points as you navigate your shot. So, is the Canon RF 15-35mm f/28L is USM a solid choice for vlogging with the EOS RP? Absolutely. Its expansive wide-angle perspective, excellent image stabilization, and rapid autofocus make it a powerful tool for creating dynamic and engaging content. For truly immersive and professional vlogs, this lens on the EOS RP is a combination worth considering.